how to set up and use these WhitePoplar wireless lights. They're good for closets, for storage spaces and stuff like that, because you can take them off the wall easily to charge them and then put them back on the wall. They don't need to have any plugs or anything like that. I'm going to go over how to set them up real quickly and the different things you can use. First of all, I got the 2-pack. It comes with this mounting bracket. So what's nice about this is magnetic. So you'll just mount this bracket into the wall. It comes with the screws and everything to mount it in the wall. And then all you need to do is, once it's mounted in the wall, this has these 2 magnets on the back. You'll just come in and boom, and this will magnet, the light will magnet to the wall. And then when the battery needs to be charged, boom, you can just pull it off the wall, bring it in, and charge it right here. And now you can control these lights with straight from the light itself or with the remote control. So to turn it on straight from the device, we're just going to press and hold the M button, and then we can press and hold it again to turn it off. We can also do that using this green power button on the controller. We'll do the same thing, okay? So in addition to just being on and off, I can have a motion sensor with this light. And this light can be a motion sensor in one of 2 ways. It can have to be dark and sense motion, or it can just sense motion and not have to worry about being dark. So if I want to do it, if I want to do the motion sensing with the dark, I'll just press this button here. And if I want to put it in the motion sensing, and I don't care if it's dark, I'll just push this button here. And I don't know if you noticed, but here I'll show you. If I push this button, if you can see, this button, this blue button is lit here. And then if I press here, you see this moves over here. And I can also toggle between these on here with the M button. If you can see the blue, it toggles between just on, the moon, which needs to be dark, and movement, or the light, and there can just be movement and it will turn on. Okay, so I can toggle with a single press on the M, or I can choose here, will toggle me through those options. Now, so using the controller, I can change the tone of the light from white to neutral to clear. And I can also change that if I press this button, just a short press on this button here, will toggle me through those 3 different options of the type of light. I can also, on the controller, I can make this light brighter and dimmer. If I press and hold over here, it'll make it dimmer. If I press and hold over here, it will make it brighter. And I can actually do the same thing on here. I just need to press and hold, and it will make it brighter. And then if I press and hold it again, it will make it dimmer. And if I press and hold it again, it will make it brighter. Now, the only control that you have on the controller that you do not have on the actual light is the timer. So I can hit a 15-minute timer. It will make a little click, and that means this will automatically turn off after 15 minutes. I can do the 30-minute one, I can do a 60-minute one, or I can just turn the timer off by hitting this off button, and the timer will go off, and this light will just stay on basically until the battery dies. So anyways, that's everything you need to know about how to use this light. If you're interested in getting this light, I'll go ahead and put a link down below to where you can get it.